Hello, my name is Caleb Brady, and today I will be going over the upload assignment S4 generic linked list. And this was taking a program we found in our textbook and was doing the challenge where we modify it to turn a linked list so it works with generic. It was pretty fun to do. Some of the information for this homework was bit confusing, hard to find, and like when you go on the internet, everything's monetized. And I guess if I had information other people want, I would hold it over their heads too for money. To be fair. Um, so we'll start by looking at the source code. This is what was provided in the textbook. It's kind of funny because I went to the textbook and the online textbook, and I tried to copy it from the textbook and paste it into here, but that didn't work for some odd reason. I don't know why. And so I typed it out line by line, tabbing between Chrome and here. And after I typed it out and I started working on the generic version, I realized that there was another version online that had the code that you could just copy and paste and edit into here, and felt like a waste of like probably maybe an hour of my time. So we'll look at this class first briefly, go over what it does, and you'll be able to see on here this is kind of the same with the generic. Um, I think this is the one I was editing to try to help. Some of the code in here might be a bit off because I was trying to edit it. I was accidentally editing this one when I was working on the next homework assignment you'll see soon. Alright, we have the node, it's a linked list. If it's empty, it's going to return null. It's the size, it counts the size, and it will return how many parts of the list there are. Um, this is the add string, which will add it to the end of the string. And this is the add index, where you put it in through an index, like you say you want to put in the first position in the string, and this is the string you will type in there, and that's where it will do. If it's out of bounds, it will tell you. Otherwise, it's gonna put it where you said in the position that you wanted it to be. You got a toString here. You got the remove, which, as we learned, it takes one part. Like say this is the string here, takes one part, and this is the one you want to remove. It goes to the one before it, and it just reverts it to go to here, the next one. Anyway, that's the remove for the index, and this is the remove for like anything else like strings and stuff like that. And here's the test run that came with it. You can see it has adding to it. You add Amy, Bob. Then in the first position you want to add Al, and in the what would that be? The third position you want to add Beth. Yeah, the third position you want to add Beth, and the last position you want to add Carl. So look at that. There we go. Third position Beth, last position Carl, first position Al. My mouse is off, so I might be highlighting the wrong stuff at some point, but you can see how it works. This is practically the same, but you got it so it works with generics, and we also added you can insert it from the back. Um, you can insert it which is kind of the same, where you put in the item and then where you want it, the position that you want it in. This will check equals to see if you have something at that spot. You can remove all, and you can insert from the beginning and insert from the back. This is just a little test I did to make sure that worked at first. So you just added it, and then it tells you where it tests the element at, And here is the actual code I used. It's giving me a whole bunch of safety tips, but it works. It works good. There we go. So let's clear that, and I'll just quickly explain how this works. Um, since I've already been, I have to go through these so fast since we only have 5 minutes to do these. Anyway, so we create two lists. We make one for doubles and one for strings. First one we start with we insert number 42069, and then 420, 69, and then we insert one at the beginning. That's just my birthday, May 30th, 2001. And there we go. For the second list, we go, my name is Caleb. Then we insert something at the beginning of the list that says hello. So the results are the numbers here. And then we get hello, my name is Caleb. And there we go. That's my program. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next week. Have a good night.